We are standing in a new forest. He's very excited. He's never been here before. But this area that we're in right now was a completely open field. It was bush hogged in September of 2017. And look at the height of these trees, these cedars, pines, and gum trees. And it's just completely filled up with trees. And in the summer, you cannot walk out here, but I brought Miracle out here just to explore something new, keep it interesting, just to keep it fun for him. But it's just incredible how fast things can grow. It's a new place. Yes, it is. It's a beautiful day, even though it's cloudy.